Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Ty and I'm back with another YouTube monthly update. I do every month at the end of the month to show you how much money I made with my YouTube channel. So today is February 27th, 2020, and there's 2 more days in the month. There's Friday and Saturday. Shot the video a little early to get coming. I'm not gonna have time to do it. So this month so far, I've made $113.94. As you can see, last month, January, I made $168. You see, December of 2019, I made $197. So I knew February was not going to be as much as January. Excuse me, or anywhere close to January, just because February is a short month. I figured it would be a little bit slower than anything else. So, with that being said, that's how much I made this month in February. I'm expecting March to be a bigger month. I expect March is a longer month. I got way more videos going to be publishing. It'd be as much as at least January, the 168, or at least in December 197. But let's go through. I've been a partner for a year now, and when I first got to be a YouTube partner, I didn't make no money. So let's go back to what I made last year in February, which you go ahead and hit see now, see more, see now, hit see more, right here. So this is last year. So this is last February of 2019. Okay. And you see I made $3.44 because I was a partner maybe half the month of February. Then March I made $63.61. April $64. May $71. And then here in June, one of my videos that was doing very well got demonetized for some reason. And that hurt the money coming in. But I bounced back in July of 74. August 82. So you see the numbers is going up. The numbers is going up month by month. Now September I made 111. October I made 115. November I made 188. I mean, it just jumped up. And December I made 197. And January I made 168. So it went back down some. So you see here January of this year I made 168. And I made 113 this month. So you see the transition where when I first started, for a full month, I only made $63.61. And ever since then, it's gone up every single month. And this month, I didn't expect to make a lot of money because it's a short month. And, I'd expect to make a lot of money. But March of this year, I made $63.61. And the whole month of March of last year, next month in March, I'm expecting to make that much money in the first week or half in March of this year. So it shows how much, and I put out a lot of videos too during that time, and I still got videos, 3 videos a day, 3 videos a week come out on this channel. So that's the key, is the consistency, to keep on producing content. You see my numbers here, how far I came to where I'm at now and where I want to go. I want to make at least $500 a month on YouTube, and the numbers, they go up and they're down, and I wish that January was at 198, 199 to make a little bit more than December. And February just complete, and there's 2 more days left, so that 113, I'm guessing be at least 120, 125 on the high note, including today. So maybe 125, which is not bad. It's better than my other months though, but just continue to put out content. I do 3 videos a week on this channel, 3 videos per week, and that is my goal, and that's what I do. So that's it for the video. So this is 1 year in. of being a YouTube partner. 1 year in, how much money I made per month, and you see that I would no longer make $74 a month. Now I've been making $100, at least $100, for the past 6-7 months. So I'm expecting to make at least $100 a month. Now and I keep putting out content and come to a point where I'm gonna get to $200 every month. Like, I'm not gonna go below $200. So I'm gonna keep on putting out good content to encourage you to start your YouTube channel today and start putting out videos and content that helps people and to give them what's possible. This is a small YouTube channel. I got maybe 2,500 subscribers, but I have over 800 videos. And I don't care about the video count. All I care about is the views. Well, I don't care about the views as much. What I care about is how many videos I got going up. That's what I care about. I could care about consistency. I care about Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I have a new video going on live. I don't care about the subscriber count. I don't care about the view count. I got videos that made 3-4 views for 3 years. All I care about is being consistent. The number one thing that made the money is being consistent. There's never been a Monday, Wednesday, Friday that a new video has not gone live on the channel. And I continue to do that. So that's the number one takeaway from this, is to be consistent. Consistency wins on YouTube or anything else. Be consistent. And I use the YouTube, schedule feature on my video. So what we could do is you could create 4 to 5 videos and schedule them out to go live in the future. And that's what I took full advantage of that, because I shoot 4 to 5 videos in a 2-hour time and schedule them out during the week. I schedule them out for this week. I schedule them out for next week, on Monday or Wednesday or Friday. That way, when that time comes, I don't have to shoot a video. I can take a small little break. But stay consistent. The number one goal for YouTube is to stay consistent. I consistently made 3 videos per week, and I got videos to go all the way to May at this point, and I'm still creating videos to this very day, 3 videos a week. So that's the end of my video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I'm still a small YouTuber. This is pocket change. But that $100, $113 this month, $168, that pays my phone bill. It puts gas in my car. You know what I'm saying? It pays a bill. You know what I'm saying? It pays my cell phone bill. I don't have to no longer pay that my own money. I use YouTube earnings for that. And now I'm using advertisements on my I have a game channel as well. I'm trying to build that up as well to be monetized. So I'm making money on YouTube ads as well. So I enjoy YouTube. It's different. Just talking on the camera, but I like it. I like seeing the result. I like seeing numbers and results. Like, I'm putting this work in. These are my results, and I like it. I really do like it. But that's it for the video. My advice is to start a YouTube channel, find something you would like to do videos, and be consistent. My name is Ty for theXKing.com. Thanks for watching.